work and food's my life. Now today I'm making Toblerone cheesecake, so you've got to stick around. It's coming right up. Who likes cheesecake? Everyone. Who likes Toblerone chocolate? Everyone. So it just makes sense that these two should marry, and today I'm making Toblerone cheesecake. By the way, perhaps one of the most easiest cheesecakes I've ever made. So if cheesecake making has ever been a bit daunting to you, don't be scared. This one is so simple. So I have visitors coming on Saturday. Today is Wednesday. If you've never seen any of my videos before, then I gotta tell ya, my little secret with cheesecakes is always make them 2 or 3 days before you want to serve them. Why? They just simply taste better the longer you keep them. So the first step always is to line your cheesecake pan. This is a 20cm springform pan that I've lined with baking paper. So now we're ready to go. Come on, let's make this. So first we make our chocolate base. Now here I have put some plain chocolate biscuits in my food processor. So now this is a beautiful fine crumb. And to this we're going to add some desiccated coconut. Give that a little stir through. And of course, what brings it all together, what binds it, is the melted butter. So pour that in, give it a good stir. And now, of course, there's no other way than to use our hands for the next step. So we tip all our lovely mixture into our springform pan. Just spread it out evenly so you know you've got a nice even distribution of those crumbs. And once you've done that, just firmly press down. Press that in. And once you've done that, you're going to pop this in the refrigerator, and that's going to firm up while we make the filling. Okay, so for the filling, I'm choosing to use my electric stand mixer, but if you just have a pair of hand beaters, electric hand beaters, that's going to do the job as well, okay? So that's fine. I've got my whisk on, you can have your beater on, that's okay as well. I just like using my whisk because I find that it does a really good job of making sure there's no lumps in my mixture. So in my bowl, I have just put some softened cream cheese, and to this I'm adding some caster sugar. We're going to cream these two together until they're lovely and smooth. Now, when we're baking anything, it's always good practice to stop every now and then and scrape down the sides, just to make sure we are getting every little bit of this mixture well incorporated. Okay, so give it a scrape down. And at this stage, I'm also going to stop and I'm going to add my favorite ingredient ever, vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon. If I accidentally put a little bit more than that, that's even better. So pop in your extract and keep beating until you know it's lovely and smooth. Okay, I've stopped my mixer now because I'm really confident that the mixture is lovely and smooth, and I can see that that caster sugar has dissolved in the mix. So now I know I'm up to the next stage, and this is the final stage. So to this now I'm adding some thickened cream. And of course, the star of the show, in this bowl, I have melted down some Toblerone chocolate. So we're going to add the chocolate to the mix. Don't waste a drop of this precious, precious chocolate. Okay, so now I'm just going to put the beater back on until that's all combined. And that's it. Once those ingredients are combined, it is done. How easy was that? So now we're just going to tip that beautiful Toblerone filling in over our base. And we're going to return this back to the fridge. Now, a minimum, guys, a minimum of 4 hours. But as you know, if you've watched my videos, I always prefer overnight. So the reason why, guys, I like to keep this in overnight is it's all about taking the cake out of the tin. if I know that the mixture is really nicely solid, I'm more confident in taking it out of the tin. And that's the only reason why. I don't like to rush. I don't want to try and turn it out of the tin if the mixture's still a little bit wobbly. Because you go to all this trouble, you know, you want to make sure it's going to work. There's nothing worse than going to all this trouble and then if it's a bit of a flop when you go to turn it out, oh, that's so frustrating. Okay, so I've smoothed the top. We are going to decorate the top and I'm going to decorate it with some grated Toblerone chocolate. So if you want to have a go at making this simple, stunning Toblerone cheesecake, then check out the description box below. That'll take you to my website, find the recipe there. It's only $1, pay by credit card or PayPal. Don't forget, give me a thumbs up, or better still, if you haven't subscribed, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell, because that way you'll always get a little notification every time I've just released a new video. Cook something new in the kitchen. And I'll see you next time.